Do you want to stream from your PS5, have nice overlays, alerts, and chat on screen, but you don't feel like spending hundreds on a capture card? Remote Play is out too because it stutters and lags. Well, look at this. I'll show you a simple way to use your PC for this for free, without any lag. Hit that subscribe button and let's get into it.
First, let's fire up the console. We need to do one thing with the accounts. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, then Linked Services, and select YouTube. If you have your main account linked here, the one you actually want to stream on, just disconnect it. Nothing will happen, don't worry. Instead, log in with a second, spare YouTube account that you don't use daily. This one will serve as our wireless video transmitter. All right, now let's move over to the computer. We're downloading two free programs. The first is FreeTube. It's a lightweight YouTube player that will let us capture the image without ads and without putting unnecessary load on the system. The second program is for streaming. I use Meld Studio because it runs super smoothly, but if you prefer classic OBS Studio, no problem. Everything works exactly the same. Let's go back to the PS5 for a second. Launch your game and start the stream on that spare account we just linked. Just remember one important thing. In the broadcast settings on the console, set the visibility to unlisted. This way, no randoms will join this technical stream. Now, on your computer, go to the YouTube studio of that spare account, copy the link to the live stream, and paste it into FreeTube. Start the playback, and you've got a perfectly smooth console preview on your PC. Now open Meld Studio, or OBS. Add a new source. Select Window Capture, and pick FreeTube as the window. Click OK. To get rid of the black borders and the player interface, hold down the left Alt key on your keyboard and drag the edges with your mouse right up to the game footage. Once you have a clean gameplay feed, stretch it to full screen, drop your overlays, alerts, chat, webcam on top of it. Now, your computer sends the finished stream with all the graphics to your main account, and the console doesn't have to struggle with any remote play. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's possible to set up a nice stream straight from the console without spending money on expensive cards. If this method made your life easier, leave a like. And definitely let me know in the comments what you're firing up first on your new PS5 stream. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace!